Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Payday bar fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Well, compadres, I'm back, and oh, how I've missed you. But the few weeks I took off are well worth it. I have some new ideas, some new recipes, and we're just charging ahead with not one, not two, but 3 recipes today, and they all involve candy corn. Welcome to Candy Corn Rehabilitation Day here in the Candy Kitchen. Candy corn gets a bad rap, and I think it's often because of the texture. So I found or developed a few recipes that keep the flavor while minimizing the waxy buildup. Let's see how they turn out. I based this recipe on one I found on the Crazy for Crust website, which I'll link to in the description. It harkens back to something my mom told me about and which I tested in a previous episode. She said that if you eat some peanuts and candy corn together, it tastes just like a Payday bar. Of course, she was correct. The folks at Crazy for Crust turned that same idea into a fudge that I thought would be perfect for this time of year and this series of episodes. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Payday bar fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 12 ounces of white chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of candy corn, and 1 cup of peanuts. I also used an 8x8 pan, some parchment paper, a microwave-safe bowl, a food processor, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the 8x8 inch pan. Cut or blitz the candy corn into small pieces. If you're going to use a food processor, I'd recommend freezing the candy corn first. It prevents it from becoming a gooey mess. Place the white chocolate chips, peanut butter, and sweetened condensed milk in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave it in 30-second increments, stirring after each until the mixture is melted and smooth. Stir in the vanilla, candy corn, and peanuts. Spread the mixture in the prepared pan, let the fudge cool to room temperature, then chill until it's completely set. Remove it from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. I really don't have a whole lot to say here, other than this tastes almost exactly like a Payday bar. I mean, you'd never confuse the two. This is obviously fudge, but that flavor profile is pretty spot on. If you love fudge and Payday bars, you really ought to try these. Microwave it in 30-second intervals. Place the white chocolate chips, peanut butter, and sweetened condensed milk in a medium saucepan. No, don't do that.